Unfolding the mystery. What's an outline? Hello, learners. Today, we're diving into an essential tool in the writing process: the outline. You might have heard of it, but do you truly know its power? By the end of this video, you'll understand its definition, purpose, and why every writer, including you, should utilize it. An outline is like a blueprint for your writing. Imagine you're building a house. You wouldn't start without a plan, would you? In the same way, an outline is a structured plan for your essay, research paper, or any written project. It organizes your thoughts, main points, and evidence in a hierarchical manner, ensuring your arguments flow logically. In essence, it's a skeletal framework of your content, allowing you to see the bigger picture. Outlines serve multiple purposes. 1. Organization. With an outline, your ideas have a structured home. This organization ensures that every point finds its rightful place in your writing, leading to a coherent and persuasive narrative. 2. Efficiency. When you have a clear plan, you can write faster. No more staring at a blank page wondering where to start. 3. Flow and coherence. Ensuring each point leads naturally to the next, outlines help maintain logical progression and cohesion in your writing. 4. Flexibility. It's easier to move points and sections around in an outline than in a fully written piece. It's like rearranging the rooms in a blueprint rather than physically moving rooms in a built house. Remember, while an outline is a powerful tool, it's not set in stone. As you delve deeper into your topic, you might find the need to adjust it, and that's okay. Think of it as a living document that evolves as your understanding grows. Using an outline, you're not just jotting down random thoughts. You're strategizing, planning, and ensuring that when you do start the actual writing, you're on a clear, well-lit path. And there we have it, the magical world of outlines. As you venture into academic writing and research, remember that an outline is your trusted companion. It'll guide you, keep you on track, and ensure your writing shines. Here's hoping this video shed light on the value of outlines. Happy writing, and until next time, keep learning.